Hello and welcome again. In this very short video, we're going to talk about a very important but often overlooked topic, which is adding, removing users, managing users. So the users can have access to your all accounting data, or some of it, or nothing, depending on what you choose. So depending on the plan, you have one user, 3 user, 5 user, or 25 or something user. And remember, users are your staff. Accounting firms don't count as staff, they are separate. So how do you go to the settings? First, you go to the gear icon again, click manage users. Right, so say for example you're talking with a firm to do your books. How do you invite them? You go to the accounting firms here, you click their write down their email and click invite, and they'll be invited as a firm. And that's different from a user. If you want to add a user, you need to click add user here, and you can have a standard user or company admin. Standard users means you can give them limited data, limited access depending on their role. Company admin can do everything basically. So this should be only owners or someone very senior like the CFO or something. And you can add them as reports only. That means they can see reports except for the confidential payroll and stuff. And you can also add time tracking only. So this is helpful if you have a staff member and you are using QuickBooks payroll to add timesheets and stuff. I don't recommend using QuickBooks payroll, but if some reason you want to do it, so you just add a standard user and then you use time tracking only. So you just use time tracking only, not a user. So this doesn't count towards the user count. And what it does is it will let them like view their time and stuff if they want to see how much they're getting paid and whatnot. And they can use it to add their timesheets if you want them to use QuickBooks time tracking. And this guy is mostly for like many companies, they have management personnel that shouldn't have they may be senior or junior depending, but there is a chance that they may just mess up the books if they have access to the books, right? So you can put them as reports only, so they can only view, right? They cannot do anything. So those are the different types that you can use as a user.